Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a NOKIA T20. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, click to pencil, then scroll down, hit this button in this block, then tap and hold and drag to top this button for add. And for saving, click back. Now when you add this button here, click to screen recorder. And now first option, we got record audio microphone. For if you want to change this option, click here and select for example device audio or device audio and microphone. And turn off or turn on this option here. And click start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.